being able to sit back and relax and enjoy the coolness of the rain. Like, we don't even realize how much we don't sleep and we don't rest. Like, people think, oh, you get acclimated to the heat out here. Yeah. My body says, screw you. It does not. It'll, get me through it. But after this rain, we'll probably go back to more heat and oh, my body will rebel like crazy. It's what it did last year. Oh, but in the meantime, get some cool, refreshing rest instead of no, I can't go to sleep. I gotta hydrate. Gotta hydrate. Can't nap. Might die. Can't nap. Might die. A long time since I've slept in here. I'm big so proud she's let on the bed. Shouldn't used to because she'd get too rowdy and the solar panel would come down. And that's never any fun. What are you doing? What's it doing? Want people watching me? Huh? Want people watching movies? Joy. Also come in my pillow. Going at it aggressively there, big. Yeah, that's another thing I've become very clear on with my dogs.